Hello viewers, let's learn today a birthday song Bar Bar Din Ye Aaye. So first I will tell you notes with right hands, then I will tell you chords, then with both the hands I will tell you. Before starting it, I would request you, if you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit bell icon to get all the notifications of my new videos. So let's start it. So first we'll learn prelude music. It goes like this. After that we'll change voice to half C. Then it goes like this. Again see. After that I have again changed voice to Bright 207 and it is like. Again see. Now this completes the prelude music. Now let's talk about scale, chords, tempo, style and voices. So this song is on D sharp minor scale and mainly chords I have used D sharp minor, A sharp minor, G sharp and C sharp. Before learning, I would suggest you watch my cover video also so that you will have an idea how to play with both the hands. I will give link in description. You can watch it and learn it, and then you can refer how to actually play with both the hands with style and different voices. In voices I have used Bright 207 and Harp C number 23, string number 91 and music number 53. Numbering can be differ, you can check it out in your keyboard, and style is rumba 156 and tempo is 130. Now let's see prelude with chords. So it's like. So when we'll start with this, the G sharp chord will come. So it's like. When we'll come to here, it will come D sharp minor. So it's like. Again see. After this, so it will come F minor. I didn't tell you F minor chord. I have used F minor chord also. So it will like. Here it will be. A sharp minor. Here G sharp. Again see. After that I have used this also with the string voice. It is like. It's little fast. It's like. Here you can use D sharp minor chord. So it's like. So in fast it will be. After that I have used again Bright, this 207 voice. So it's like. Again I have used this D sharp minor chord. Here A sharp minor. starts and it's like बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। So let's see how we'll play it. So I will change voice to harmonium. Actually I have played this song is on Music Voice 53, but for the clarity I am using here harmonium only, so that you will have more clarity. So it will be like again, see little slowly. So it's like now let's see with chords. So it's like we'll start it with D sharp minor. So it's like I guess that should be clear. Now let's move on to stanza first. So first stanza is like बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मिसाल दूं मैं तेरी, नाम लूं मैं किसका, नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तुझे हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Sunita, happy birthday to you. So I have used string voice over here. So it's like let's see which chords. It's like F minor. So get this. I guess this should be clear. Again, I would suggest you watch my cover video also. I will give link in description. Then you will have better idea how to play with different voices, style, with chords. So it completes the song. And if you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. So thank you. Thanks for watching.